Hello guys and welcome back to another video from Take to India. Today it is going to be a video where we review the latest series on Amazon, the Amazon original Breathe Into the Shadows. A basic overview of the story of this series is that it is set in Delhi. It revolves around a psychiatrist played by Abhishek Bachchan's family, and a series of murders follow. There is kidnapping, there are murders, there is a lot of suspense, there is a lot of thrill throughout the series. This video we are going to divide it into three parts. The first part is on the basis of the episodes. So the first part will talk about the first 5 episodes. The second part will talk about 6 to 11 episodes because there are 12 episodes to start with, and the third part will be about the 12th episode. But before we jump to these episodes, let's talk about the cast and the direction of this series.
So I loved the direction. Absolutely, it was directed by Mayank Sharma. It has very good camera angles. You actually follow the characters through, and a lot of attention has been paid to the places and to the angles and highlighting certain things. Talking about the actors, Abhishek Bachchan is amazing in the series. I would like to say he has made quite a comeback. Nitya Menon has shared her screen space with Abhishek Bachchan, and she has been fantastic at that. She takes the attention to her, she takes the viewers to her, grabs them, and takes them with her. Then Sayami Kher has played another wonderful character. Uh, she has completely captured the essence of her character, and the supporting cast has also been fantastic. If Prashant would like to add.
Yeah, I would like to add the characters which are carried forward from the, we can't call it first season because this is also the first season, but the Breathe that came out in 2018, it also had Amit Saad and Rishikesh Joshi playing the two cops from Mumbai. Those are the only common points in this series, not season. And if you haven't seen that, you can still watch this. There is no
Yeah.
connection in between. So those two characters are still the same. Only their lives have grown further, and apart from those, there is a beautiful character played by Reshma Srivardhan, whose name is Gayatri, and that character is very well written, very well built, like confined to one room throughout the series, but it is played very well by her. And we also have Jai Prakash, who is played by Shrikant Verma. He is a Delhi cop. But the thing is, there are three Delhi crime branch officers in total, and I feel all three were lacking a bit of writing because all three were confined to their police station throughout the series. उनके उनकी life और कुछ दिखाई नहीं है. Every other character had some or the other what do you call it, trait or some backstory to that character, but these three were lacking it completely. So that's
Now, one character who had a fantastic backstory and a recurring story, which kind of grew through the season, was Plabita Borthakur. She had the character which kind of gave definition to other characters, gave them value, and connected them. So it was
correct.
very well played and written.
Yes, yes. So that's about the cast of the series. Now moving on, let's talk about the episodes and how we have broken them down. So we have broken down it into the first. The first part is still only till the fifth episode, because at the end of the fifth episode, you get a big revelation which will shock you completely.
Yeah.
The first 5 episodes are absolutely fantastic. All five, you are literally glued to your seat. You want to watch more. There are perfect cliffhangers to every episode from 1 to 4 to lead you to the fifth episode.
Talking about the first to fifth, they have made the viewers, they've brought the binge factor, if I should put it like that. They've brought the binge factor so hard that you literally are glued. You don't want to leave your screens, and you really want to dig deep in the characters, understand what they're trying to say. There's 1,000 different knobs turning in your head. This is a possibility, this is a possibility. And that is the kind of suspense that they build. And it is extremely, like, it makes you anxious, it makes you crazy driven to know what will happen next.
Yeah, and after the fifth episode, since you already know that there are 12 episodes, you are like, अब क्या दिखाएंगे ये लोग?
Yeah,
There are
yeah, that's
7
the
more
moment.
episodes
That's
to
the
cover.
moment.
तुम इतना अभी से दिखा दोगे तो आगे क्या दिखाओगे?
हाँ.
So that is what exactly happened. Episode number 6 to episode number 11, the second segment that we have, the story kind of falls short. Not, I would not say falls short, but it reduces the speed of the story. it becomes slow, it becomes a little bit stretched out. You don't
Like compared to
like
the first 5 episodes, you're moving at a 6x speed. Like the first
yes,
episode starts at a 6x speed, and it kind of goes slower until episode 5, where you just pause.
correct,
First 5 episodes just rush.
yeah, and in that as well, episode 8, 9, 10 are, according to me, they have stretched a bit too much. They have shown very much, many details which if they hadn't shown those details, that those details took a lot of time, and that's why they had 12 episodes, to be honest.
Or even if they could have cut down the episodes, मतलब 8 to 11 का अगर वो time duration थोड़ा cut करके 30 minutes and under में उसे रख देते, तो भी it would have fit, because after a point, you could just tap 10 seconds over and you could understand that this is a part which has continued, like dragged out a bit.
Speaking about the finale of the season, the 12th episode, I think after the 5th episode secret reveal, you knew कि ये story कहाँ जाने वाली है and how it will end. So, but 6 to 11 only made it stronger कि हाँ, what I'm thinking is right, it is going there. But in the 12th episode, it kind of changes, it kind of unsettles you. It is not fast paced, I would say, but there are a lot of turns, like ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है.
देखो, पहले 5 एपिसोड में तूफान आए, ठीक है, सुनामी आई, सब चीजें इधर उधर आई, we're just unable to take in all the information. Then it's kind of like the sunny day after a very bad rainy day, and everything is settling down. You figuring out what's happening, and then on the last day, just when you think everything is okay, in the 12th episode, bam, there's a whirlpool in the water and everything is mixed up, and you are again trying to fight control कि ये क्या हुआ. But that just gives it the factor that you need to call it a very good show, I think, for me.
So on our Take 2 Watchometer, how much will you rate it out of 10?
Probably give it a good 9.5. The reason is, missing links in some of the characters that you told about, that most of the characters had some peculiar habits or peculiar, thing that they did. And their backstory was shown. But like Prashant just said, some of the characters were missing that. So if they made a show that's 12 episodes long, each episode is about 45 to 48 minutes. So I would expect every character to be focused on in such detail.
Okay, for me, it would have been a 8.5, but since the characters were so well rounded and so well written, I would go with 9. So if you need patience from 6 to 11th episode, but if you go through it, then 12th episode is surely going to be a very good treat, the dessert that you wanted.
Yes.
Okay.
I would like to say a last cheese key. You stick with Breathe if you are really interested in the series, if you like the first series. Even though we thought that this is going to be something similar, this is going to be on the same storyline, trailer देख के तो ऐसा लगता है कि basically उसी का एक दूसरा part होगा, characters change हो जाएंगे, थोड़ी सी story change हो जाएगी. But that's not the case. It is quite really different. It is a new setup, and it is something that you need to explore, and it is definitely a must watch from me.
Correct.
From us.
Correct. Yeah. From us. Definitely. So okay. On that note, we come to the end of this review. Let us know if you agree with us, and let us know if you would like to make any changes in the way we review things. And we'll be back with many more such videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching.